Here's how you make a crystal from a kit. So first, here are the crystals you might make once you finish them. And I already did one what looks like this. So you need this spoon to mix it once you're done boiling the water. And you also need these crystal geodes from crystal compound to make the crystal grow, and also what color you're going to make it. So there's 3 colors in the bag, and I decided to do the white one first, but now I think this is a purple or gray. So you need 200 milliliters of boiling water. So then, once you got all the heated water, take 200 milliliters of water out of the pan, then dump it in the cup. And then I'd prefer you have a parent's help, and also put a hot pad under the thing so you don't burn your hands. Okay, now you put the crystal compound, crystal geodes into the water. You'll have to mix the crystal seeds around for 15 minutes until it's 40 Celsius. You dump water into both of the cups like this. And then you wait 30 minutes for it to stabilize. Here's a reminder. Do not put the seeding mixture in yet. Wait 30 minutes for the water to stabilize with the crystal seeds. I think this is going to be purple or gray for like these two. And my thing is I like these crystals. I did one before, and I call it White Storm, and it turned out good. So I want to see what would happen if I did 2 of them, splitting 2 of them. So now I'm going to start. First, equally dump in both of them like this. Oh my gosh, that was insane. I knew it. It was purple. Now I'm going to stir. I thought it would be purple, but it's red. Very red. Since you've done this, now you have to wait for a full week. And then you have to keep it in water, and it can't move at all, or that will stop the process. And it has to be in a room 68 degrees. If anything knocks it over, it's game over. So here's what happened. So we thought the chemical reaction would work like our last one right here, but it didn't work because we think it's because I didn't mix it long enough, and also we did the wrong powder or something. But the thing is, it's been 2 weeks since we took our last video, and it hasn't grown none. And also, we didn't do exactly failure, but I think the mistake was just I didn't mix it that long.